Hi, I'm Peter from Dynamic Steel Frame, and today we're going to be talking about large-scale townhouse developments and how light gauge steel can benefit your build incredibly. Some of the great benefits of using light gauge steel in your next townhouse development is absolute precision. Using light gauge steel to design, detail and engineer your buildings creates a much lighter, much straighter, much better building. See to your right here, we're packed to the gunnels with frames that have been designed and detailed to within an inch of their life so that when they get to site, you are assembling a house, you're not handcrafting a house. What's really important when you're thinking about a townhouse project is how to optimize your structural steel, make sure your bracing works and is compliant, and that you get everything right before it gets to site. This is critical because when you're building 150 of the same thing on the same site, mistakes add up really quickly. So being able to work with a fabricator who understands this and has the volume to supply a large townhouse site is incredibly important. Being able to deliver entire floor systems in a small pack like this means reduced time offloading and more efficient transport. Another really critical part of the equation is in-house design, detailing and fabrication of structural steel. Because when you're mixing light gauge steel and structural steel, having precision is incredibly important as well. Having flooring and roof truss components that are significantly lighter than wood by 50 to 70% is also a real time saver on site. Having the ability to 3D model every component in your building, including things like facade elements and parapets and box cutter locations, parapet heights, and every other component in the building, being able to model that in 3D before getting to site is one of the most important things you can do for a townhouse development. The level of integration between light gauge, structural steel, windows, roofing, guttering and every other component is absolutely critical. So when you're ready to make your townhouse project lighter, straighter, better, more efficient, come and see the team at Dynamic Steel Frame.